When 25 years ago, that old stork galloped into town. Well, your uncle saw the chance, and he shot that sucker down. You know I ain't got much, Jack, but let me tell you what I'll do. Gonna find me some marshmallow cows and tip them over just for you. So let's start a hootenanny. Let's paint this rodeo red. And if we can't find us no candles, we'll light up chickens instead.